Now let's celebrate the New Year's Eve here. It's the 31st of December and I'm in Phuket. It's going to be my first time ever that I'm going to celebrate New Year's Eve outside my home country. So it's going to be amazing. Can only happen in Thailand. Fireworks in the middle of the street. Very good, Dimak. Plataptim. Aroima mak. The fishes in Thailand, when you order them on a restaurant, is just amazing. You get the head, you get everything here. It's unbelievable good fish, and it's so crunchy when you can pick and eat exactly what you like. If you like it spicy, you need to have your own sauce with it. So it's really good. Now we have a Thai lady here who can show me how to cut a real full fish in the Thai way. So you give me? Okay, thank you. This dish is not the most cheapest one. If you want to eat it, it costs 550 baht, and that's quite expensive to be in Thailand for a food dish in a normal restaurant. And of course the head comes with it. So if you order a fish in Sweden or somewhere else in Europe, they cut the head off and the tail off and they fillet it for you. This is how I love to eat the fish with just your hands. It's when I'm out in the nature in Sweden. You cook the fish over the fire. It's in English called the red snapper, so I think many people have heard about it. So this is our New Year's Eve dinner here in Karun, Thailand. Happy New Year. Shakti balloon. I don't know. We just sit there and open bottle, open quad. Look, table here, bar here, chairs and table. Falang. What I understand is that Thai people go to the beach when it's New Year's Eve because it's going to be a lot of fireworks here. And now we are trying to cross the street here. Now we can go sit where we stand. Just on the beach. You say Shakti Kapaloon?
Shakti Kapaloon.
Shakti Kapaloon. Yeah, Fashek. But in English, lighter.
Lighter.
So the time is 25 minutes left to New Year's Eve. Real men don't drink champagne. Real men drink this.
Okay.
Cold brew chang, 3 liter. Chai chang, big chang. This is a big chang. Looking for the fireworks on Karun beach in Thailand. They're going to start now in about 15 minutes. And now you can see many of these happy New Year, good luck balloons, what do you call them? In Thailand they say Shakti balloons, Shakti Kap balloons. You make a fire of the like a candle, and then it's rising up because of the heat. So I have also one of these here that I'm going to fire up. I can't be more happy than sitting on the beach on New Year's Eve in Thailand. It's so fun that people try to film these good luck balloons with the telephone. Look how it looks when I'm filming with my telephone. I zoom in now. It's impossible. It's like a blinking dot. I think it's going to be bigger than that when the clock turns 12. But this good luck balloons is very popular here. They send them up just to maybe remind them of someone who died or someone who they want to make a wish for or a good luck. Now it's starting, the New Year's Eve in Thailand. Maybe going up, going down to the ocean. Now it's going up.
She not understand. For do down and everything from wind full and can go in up.
Falang don't know.
Be careful for have problem here hot.
It's descending.
Okay.
Now it's going up. No. You get light. And now.
Wait. You do here and here. Wait.
Timak.
Life for everything.
For life and everything. That's a good luck. Can't be more better than that. Good job, Tilak. Now it's going up. Up. Good life. And you are there.
I think go to Sweden.
Think go to Sweden.
Go to Sweden.
Oh yeah. That is your balloon. Oi.
Wow.
Very good. Open the biggest bottle of Chang ever. Now. I thought it's going to say poof like a champagne bottle, but I forgot. It's a Chang. My God. Welcome to Thailand. Safety first. Oh, so crazy. This country. That's why I love it. Look at that. This is like being in Gaza, in Israel. My God, people shooting everywhere here. Everywhere, Tilak. I've never seen anything like it. Most bar ever. People shooting fireworks everywhere here. It's like a war zone. I must say I'm a little bit scared to stand here. Yeah, only live once. Shorty cup and a happy new year. Vad här? Oh, I got it in my beer glass. Hi. Look there, middle of the street. It's like a war zone. Or you say that's the definition of a firework.
How luck more here.
Kaulak more?
And show everything from hotel.
Okay, next day we go. I think many people die every year.
Not die. Not danger. Can do.
Not danger! Not danger! Tilak, it's
I like.
bah.
I want
But I
to say.
love it. So
I want to say.
So
You
I
hear me?
know.
I want to say. โชคดีปีใหม่โชคดีปีใหม่
Chokti Kap. Chokti Timai.
โช
Ah,
ค
very
ดี
good.
ปีใหม่ Good
Very
luck for
good.
you.
This is an amazing firework. Suai.
สวยมาก
Mak. Tilak Mau Mau.
ไอ้เมา
Very good, Mau Mau.
not good
Good, happy. Happy, baby.
thank you text me
No, it's me who must say thank you because you bought the
I
bottle.
say text me
Tack så mycket. And I'm saying Yindi Cup. The war is ended here in Karun Beach. No more war. Maybe a little bit there.
โชคดี Happy New Year
Happy New Year.
This